So yeah, this is Miss Me. This is actually the bilingual version, which is called Miss Me, Indonesian Fusion. I dropped it at the top of May for AAPI month, so all my Asians, yes girl, I see you clapping. Let's give it up for the AAPI community. So yeah, I dropped this at the top of May, so the AAPI month, and yeah, this is me bilingual. Mistakes dan ku tahu bahwa kau takkan pernah berubah. Kau buatku menyesal, beriku alasanku tak pergi tinggalkanmu. So don't tell me that you miss me. Kini kau berpindah hati, kata buruk tentang diriku. Titipan kekasih barumu, jangan bilang kata sorry dengan janji palsumu. I'm tired of reading your apologies. All you ever did was lie to me. Go cry to her, don't call on me. I saw you with your new boo yesterday. I hate to be the one to tell you, babe, she ain't got nothing on me. It's a little embarrassing, but hey, she probably let you in it more than twice. Who am I to tell you? I know in the back of your mind, used to think about me all the time. I already know that you will never change. Boy, you're such a lame. Just give me one good reason not to walk away. So don't tell me that you miss me, 'cause now you're moving on so quickly. Remember when you tried to diss me, lying on me till you won't miss me. So don't tell me that you're sorry, you always do a lot of talking. I'm tired of reading your apologies. All you ever did was lie to me. Go cry to her, don't call on me. No, no. Isn't it a shame that I had to let you go? Did you know that I'm the one that's next to below? And you're wasting your time, you're telling her lies, I know. Dan ku tahu bahwa kau takkan pernah berubah. Kau buatku menyesal, beriku alasanku tak pergi tinggalkanmu. All you ever did was lie to me. Go cry to her, don't cry to me. No, no, no. Thank you all so much. That was my set. This is my SoFar Sounds, and I'm a little baby in this thing, but I appreciate you all for opening your arms up to me. Shout out to the SoFar Sounds team. Shout out to all my locals, and I hope I gained some new fans and new friends, new community. You guys can check me out on all platforms at Almira Zaky. It's ALMIRAZAKY. I have some stickers if you guys want some with a little QR code. So yeah, definitely check me out, and thank you all so much again. Oh, who said I love you? I love you too.